Hi, this is a video to help teach you all about binary codes, bitmap images, and vector images. First, let's talk about binary. What is binary? Well, binary is an assortment of zeros and ones that turn into a code for a computer to understand. For example, let's use this assortment of zeros and ones. First, we will section these numbers into 8. Now, ignore the first 3 numbers of each 8 numbers. Just while I'm explaining, on top of each number, from right to left, write 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Do you see a pattern here? Yes, we are just doubling each number we are writing. Now circle every number 1 digit you have in those 5 digits and add up the numbers you write on top of your ones. Now, use the answer you got to find out what letter you found in the alphabet. For example, I added 2 and 1 together to make 3, and the third letter of the alphabet is C. You have solved the first part of your code. Now do the exact same thing for the rest of your sections of your code. Images also use binary. For example, if I send a photo to a friend, it would communicate with the computer as ones and zeros, but then it would still show up on my friend's computer as the image. Now let's take a look at vector images and bitmap images. First, we will classify what each of them mean. Bitmap images are images that have an amount of squared pixels in a grid that make up the picture. For example, we have this picture. When we look at it zoomed out, it just looks like a solid image. But when we zoom in, we can see the many pixels making up this picture. What are pixels? The word pixel means a picture element. Every digital formed photo is made up of pixels. Pixels are usually squared shaped in a form of a grid. The more pixels you have in an image, the more realistic the image will become. Now, vector images are images that follow a path instead of pixels. A path could be a line, square, triangle, curve, or any shape you could think of. These paths consist of a start and an end point. These images can be zoomed in and they would not lose any of their quality. Did you know that binary is also used in sound? When you record something, it communicates to your computer as zeros and ones as well. I hope my presentation helped you understand what bitmap images, vector images, and binary codes are. Thank you for watching.